Alright, today in this video I want to talk about one way I use to find a bestseller badge. And actually in this video I found a bestseller badge for a potential seller. So you never know, if you were this seller you could get a bestseller badge. Just gotta stay to the end of this video. So let's jump right in. We're going to be using this tool in Seller Central. It's under add products, then I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. So I was just poking around on Amazon. I found this category, decorative address signs, and then I found this other category, address plaques. So that's sort of what you want to look for, is two similar categories that the products could fall into one or the other. So let's look at this one right here. We're going to use helium-10 X-ray, and you want to compare the bestseller rank in the broader category to see if you'll be able to get a badge. So in this category, subcategory, decorative address signs, I'm going to exclude these two right here because they're, Halloween products, and in 2 weeks they're not going to be there anymore. So all these are in patio, lawn, and garden. So let's say once these two top guys right here in the subcategory go away, this guy right here has a BSR of about 7,000 in the broader category of patio, lawn, and garden. Alright, so then I went over to this subcategory here, address plaques, again because they're pretty similar, decorative address signs and address plaques. I'm going to do the same thing, looking into X-ray right here. So I found this product from Sun Gath, these lighted house numbers, and they're about number 2,000 in the broader category of patio, lawn, and garden. So if this guy right here, Sungath, switches from address plaques into decorative address signs, he's going to get the bestseller badge simply because he has a lower bestseller rank in the broader category of patio, lawn, and garden. Let me show you one more time. Just assuming these two guys go away, this guy right here is going to take the badge. He's number 7,000. Now, if this guy Sungath jumps over, switches categories, he's number 2,000. The way Amazon works, if you're closer to 1 is the highest velocity product. So the lower the number, the more sales you're making. He's about number 2,000. If he switches, he beats out this guy 7,000 automatically. He's going to get the badge. So if you're this guy, if you're selling this product, Sungath, I highly recommend you switch from address plaques into decorative address signs. And I want to show you guys how I found this opportunity here. So I was just poking through and I found address signs. And I took that. It's a pretty basic product, general term. I took the general term here, address signs. I brought it over to this tool. Everybody has access to it. In Seller Central, you go to, once again, add product. I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. Pretty much just type in the product you're selling. So you can see there's a couple opportunities and options here. Number 1 is decorative signage, and then product type signage. So you can see right here, address plaques, and then address signs. Those sound pretty much the same to me, so they're pretty interchangeable. So I said, all right, let's look at address plaques now. And I found this guy Sungath, and I said, okay, if he can switch into address signs, because look here, he's selling a decorative address sign. If he switches into this category, he's going to get the badge. No question about it. These guys really, their bestseller rank is not even close to him. He was number 2,000. We have 7,000, 3,000, 31,000. This guy's going to get the badge easily, and he should be able to maintain it. Another way to confirm that is to look at the BSR chart over time. Last 30 days, the highest bestseller rank was 5,000. That still beats out 7,000 every day. So that's sort of how I find these opportunities for bestseller badges. This guy Sungaff, I'm not sure what he's thinking, but he should be switching from address plaques into decorative address signs. And you guys should look at your product, see if you can snag a bestseller badge. It's not that hard. I know there's not a lot of subcategories out there, but it's worth a shot. Go over here to Seller Central, type in your main product. If you're selling address signs, type that in. You can see all the subcategories that your product could fall into. And take a look, maybe you have one like this, address signs, address plaques. They're the same thing. Amazon's not going to know the difference. Customers aren't going to know the difference. And then all you have to do is check the BSR in the broader category. Make sure they're matching categories, patio, lawn, and garden. You don't want to compare patio, lawn, and garden to tools, home improvement. You're going to get skewed results there. They're two different broader categories. But that's how I would do it. Go over here, type in your product, see if there's an opportunity like this. You never know. There's multiple ways that I go about finding badges. This is just one of them. And it works pretty well. There's a lot of opportunities out there. You'd be surprised. So take a look at your products. Let me know if you can find a badge. If anybody has any other ways, other methods they use, let me know. Put it in the comments down below. If you guys like these videos, stay tuned. We're going to be posting more deep dive videos showing you, some ways that I haven't really seen people talk about on YouTube before. And this is one of the ways I use to get bestseller badges, just simply by switching subcategories. You don't really have to, do steep coupons and drop your price just to increase velocity. All you have to do is spend 5 minutes, see if there's an opportunity to switch subcategories. It's easy. All right. Thanks for watching.